Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue Polynomial chapter 2 class 9 exercise 2.2. We start from the question 3. We done the question 1 and 2 already in a previous video. So let's get started. So question 3, it says that verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So here we given the x value, okay. So here if we want to check this polynomial 3x plus 1 is a 0 or not, then we put this given value of the x. It is a minus 1/3. So 3 in a bracket 1 or minus 1 over 3, okay, that we given the x value. So we just change x to the 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay, here this is the minus sign, and if you are not putting this bracket, then it has a multiplication relation, right? So we can cancel down 3 and 3. So minus 1 plus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 becomes the 0. So yes, answer is a yes. So minus 1 over 3 is a 0 of this polynomial, okay. Let's move on for the second example. Polynomial is a 5x minus pi, and the value of the x given the 4 over 5. Okay. So what is the pi value? First let's replace the x by this value 4 over 5. So 5 times 4 over 5. Take away, we replace pi by the value of the pi which we know, or 3.14, right? And now 5 and 5 cancel down, so 4 take away 3.14, that gives us answer 0.86, and this is not a 0, so this 4 over 5, it is not a 0 of this polynomial, okay. So answer is a no. Let's move on for the next example. So here polynomial given is a x square take away 1, and what is the x value? Okay, we given the x value 2. First time we put the 1 value, and second even we try the second time with the value minus 1. So x value first time we take the 1, so 1 square take away 1, so 1 square becomes the 1, take away 1, which is a 0. So yes, this is the 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, okay. Let's check when the x value is a minus 1. So minus 1 square take away 1, okay, minus 1 square is a 1 and take away 1 equal to 0. So yes, 1 and minus 1 both are the 0 value of this x square minus 1 polynomial, okay. Let's see the example 4. So here also we given the x value to one time minus 1, and second time we use the 2. So let's take the x value minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes the 0, and here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and when we multiply 0 times minus 3 becomes the 0. So yes, the minus 1 is a 0 of this given polynomial, okay. Let's check with the value 2 of the x. So here we replace x by the value 2, okay, 2 minus 2. So 2 take 2 plus 1 3, okay, and here 2 take away 2 0. So 3 times 0 0. So yes, 2 is also 0 value of this given polynomial. Here we have a few more examples. So let's see here. Okay, here we have to take the x value 0. So 0 square, and 0 square becomes the 0. So yes, 0 is a 0 value 0 is a 0 of this given polynomial. Now here second example number 6, and here we given the x value is a minus m over L. So wherever we find the x, we replace by the minus m over L plus m. Okay, here it is a multiplication relation, so L and L cancel down, so minus m plus m. So minus m plus m becomes the 0. So yes, this is also the minus m over L is also 0 of this polynomial. Okay, let's move on for the last example 7. Okay, here we given the x value, two different two values, so we put them one by one and check it. So P, first time we take the x value minus 1 over root 3. So here we have a x square, right? So we root minus 1 over root 3 square. Okay, minus 1. Oh, come on, minus 1. Okay, 3 times minus 1 square. Okay, minus minus becomes plus because it is a square. 1 square is a 1. Root 3 times root 3 becomes the 3, right? Take away 1. So here 3 cancel down. So 1 take away 1. So 1 take away 1 becomes the 0. So yes, minus 1 over root 3 is a 0 value of this given polynomial. Let's we find the here this value. Okay, so P x value is a 2 over minus 3, and here polynomial x square minus 1. So we replace x by the 2 over root 3 square. Take away 1. So 3 times, okay, 2 square is a 4 over root 3 square becomes the 3 minus 1. So this is going to be a cancel down. So 4 only remains. So 4 take away 1, which is a 3. So no, it is not a 0 value of the polynomial. This value is, okay, not a 0 of polynomial. Okay, here for this question we don't leave this much space. Okay, I am going to solve this question here. Okay, so here P x value we take the half equal 2 times x I replace by the half plus 1. So 2 cancel down because top and numerator and denominator same number. 1 plus 1, which is a 2. So no, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, half is not a 0 of the polynomial of this given polynomial. Let's move on for the question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case. So this given and they ask us to find the 0 of the polynomial. We have to figure out. So here these are the linear equations. So we put as a x plus 5 equal to 0 because we have to find the 0. So what would be the x value? So we move the 5 opposite sides, and remember the rules, change the side, change the sign. So x is a 5. So minus 5 is a 0 of this given polynomial. Okay, here for the second example, because we have to find the 0 of this polynomial, that's why we make the equation given polynomial equal to 0. We write like that. And x equal to, we minus 5, we change the side, we change the sign. So negative becomes the positive. So for this 5 is a 0 of this polynomial. Okay, let's move on for the next question. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So I move the 5 first opposite side. So it is positive 5 becomes negative 5, and when we move the 2 opposite side, here it is multiply. So here we have to divide it. So minus 5 over 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. Okay, this is the improper fraction. If you want to change into the proper fraction, we could write the minus 2 whole and half. Okay, or minus 2.5. Okay, next example, minus 2. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x equal to 2. Then x equal to 2 over 3. Okay, and this is the proper fraction. So we need to even simplify it, and that is the 2 over 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Let's move on. Here 3x equal to 0. So x equal to 1/3. So 1/3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Here ax equal to 0. Okay, here it says that a is a not a 0. A not equal to 0. So x equals 0 over a. Okay, why they write this one? Because here a going to be a denominator, and if it is denominator 0, then answer is a infinite, right? That's why. So x equal to 0. If numerator is 0, doesn't matter whatever the bottom number, answer is always 0. Let's check the last question. So here px equal to cx plus d, and here it says that c is not equal to 0 and c and d are real numbers. Okay, so cx plus d equal to 0. So cx equal to minus d and x equal to minus d over c. So minus d over c is the 0 of this given polynomial. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and if you are still not understand any question, please comment me below. I will make the video for that again and explain you properly. Okay, thank you.